What is fabricating me?
Creating
Fake ideologies, fake thoughts, fake assumptions. That's what is happening. Crazy things. Even this, to make sure it's not over, she thinks it's a, it was not said. Yeah. Do you know that there are many demonic things happening in this country, which I'm saying, but the men of God who are in high places, they don't want to access those things because they don't want problems with the government. It's opportunity there. The potential is to over. I'll continue saying this. I'll continue saying this because I see it industry. There are women.